We all aim for certain goals, and we strive to achieve them. Some seem tough and others are easier. But the most important is what you do to reach them, to succeed. Are you ready? How well prepared? Are you well equipped with experience and knowledge? Do you have the right support in gear and human resources? You must feel that you have the right training, guidance, support and certainty when you take the decision, aim and take the shot. NAMFI is the place where we put goals, and with the right guidance we achieve them. It's the environment where we acquire the necessary training and specialization to sophisticated defense systems.
Today we ended a very perfect firing here on NAMFI Crete together with our German allies.
We are here in October this year to conduct our annual tactical firing for the Patriot units under my command.
My unit has been at NAMFI the last few days in the frame of our operational education in order to conduct combined live firings with the collaboration of MLRS Panzer M109 weapon systems.
Since year 1964, NAMFI has been a multinational training center providing ideal and safe firing training conditions.
NAMFI is for us a very important training area.
The firing range itself is absolutely spectacular.
To exercise in a tactical level that is necessary for modern warfare.
One of the few firing ranges in Europe that can host this type of firings.
One of the most advanced firing installations with highest quality of infrastructures and services, coupled with highly trained staff and a great setting.
The aim of the firings was to upgrade our operational capacity by ensuring realistic training conditions and additionally to conduct ammunition ballistics evaluations.
The only installation that functions under the supervision, protection of shape, regarding tactical evaluations of missile firings. The only range where realistic hostile operations can be simulated by up to 6 drones.
Our soldiers proved to be capable again in engaging an air threat coming from some kind of adversary.
One of the few ranges that is able to accommodate almost all types of ground, surface and air firings, as well as the only installation in Europe that performs Patriot missiles firings.
We're very grateful for the support of the host nation, Greece, that helps us out with all different issues that are occurring when you conduct such a big operation with up to 500 people as we're doing now.
The facilities, from the lodging to the dining facilities on the containment area, are top-notch.
We are supported by the NAMFI organization, and as far as security for our forces and for our equipment, NAMFI took care of that.
Not only for the personnel of my unit, but also for the ground, air and sea surveillance.
Our Greek allies are doing a marvelous job in safeguarding our people, our material and our mission.
In conclusion, as NAMFI logo describes, we trained as we fight and we trained with safety.
Whatever the type of firings, all weapon systems must follow the strict standards set by NAMFI with regard to environmental protection. All missiles fired in NAMFI range are free of any element that might be harmful to the ecosystem. So NAMFI features the necessary modern facilities and trained staff, along with an enjoyable and relaxing environment. NAMFI is located at the area of Akrotiri on the island of Crete, a very short distance to the airport and the military port of Chania, Greece. In just 10 kilometers distance is located the beautiful city of Chania.
The local people that are very, very friendly and support us in every way.
An excellent location to give our troops some relief in the weekend after weeks of hard work.
The perfect place encourages and develops perfect collaboration between people of different ethnicity. Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. Cultural interoperability is the key factor for succeeding in air defense mission, and NAMFI is the right place for multinational units to train as the fight.